Okay, y'all, today we are taking apart the 2006 Kawasaki KLX250, and I'm going to share with you a few technical specs and facts about it. First being, it's equipped with a 249cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. This type of engine is known for its reliability and efficiency, which provides a good balance of power and fuel economy, which at 60 miles per gallon and 2 gallons in the tank, you get about 120 miles off of a full gas tank. Between the power and the fuel economy, it makes it work out good for both on-road and off-road riding, making it dual performance. Along with this, the bike features a 6-speed transmission, which gives riders a wide range of gearing to tackle various terrains and speeds. It's known for smooth shifting and durability, enhancing the riding experience whether on trails or on the road. If you have any experience riding a Kawasaki KLX 250, why don't you assure us in the comments by letting us know that it rides smooth and shifts smoothly. Before we get on to the suspension system, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you are looking for used parts for this motorcycle or other motorcycles, feel free to check the description to get a link to our eBay, and you can check out some of the used parts we have. And this is a huge help because we aren't really sponsored in a lot of our videos, and this is a great way to support the channel and help us continue to get content out for you guys to watch. But with that being said, as far as the suspension system goes, the KLX 250 boasts a capable suspension system, including a telescopic front fork and single shock system at the rear. This helps effective handling and comfort over different terrains, which again makes a good choice for riders who want to take it both trail riding and on the streets. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.